Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. Today I'm going to answer one of the questions I've gotten repeatedly over the years, specifically regarding the LS6 engine in the 01 through the 04 Z06, some specifics about them and how long do they really last. My friends, my Corvette family, I want to come out and thank you again for all of your support on the channel. We recently just achieved 85,000 subscribers. As you know, if you watch our channel, we are pushing hard to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. And thanks to you guys, we are well on our way. But we still have a little bit more to go in the last couple of months of the year. So if you watch our channel and aren't subscribed, please do. It really helps us and it costs you nothing. And if you know other Corvette people who may not be familiar with the content that we put out, talk us up a little bit, see if we can't get us to that 100,000, because the best Christmas present Lyle could get would be that YouTube plaque. It's something we've been working on for over a decade, and man, that would be the best Christmas present ever. So thank you for your support. Spread the word. We'll talk to you soon. So as you guys are probably aware, the LS6 engine located in the 01 through the 04 Z06 was basically an uptuned version of the LS1 that was introduced in the Corvette in 1997. All aluminum block, all aluminum heads, aluminum oil pan, in general just a lot of aluminum to make a very lightweight, compact, and very potent, for the time, power plant. The whole point of the Z06 was to build on the architecture of the LS1, but upgraded it for higher output and more improved durability, because these were cars that were meant to be driven hard. Factory output ranges from 385 horses in 2001 to 405 in the 2002, 3, and 4 editions of the car. Owners from forums report the LS6 as about as bulletproof as any ever manufactured by GM. I would agree with that, and we'll get into that in just a minute. If properly maintained, and this is the important bit, oil changes, you make sure your cooling system's functioning, blah, blah, many LS6s are reported to reach high mileage. For example, this one forum says a properly maintained LS6 is capable of running hard well into the six figures on the odometer. Well, personally, I have, as you guys, if you watch the channel know, I have 262,000 and change on my original LS6 in my 2003 Corvette. So no question, they really, really do last. The only weak spot, if you want to call it that, occurred pretty much in 2002, and it was an attempt by GM to make a lighter valve train in the heads, which unfortunately led to some higher rates of valve spring breakage. The effect, of course, would be a broken valve spring can lead to an erratic running, potential damage. If a valve drops into the cylinder, yeah, it's not a trivial risk. You could kill an engine that way. The fix was that in 2003, GM went to stronger valve springs. The way to tell, and this is important, if you look at the valve springs on your 02, 03, 04 Corvette, if they are yellow, they are the weak ones, the ones that were lighter. You want the blue. So blue valve springs is where you want to go for the C5 LS6 engine. A lot of people who own 2002s have already years ago done that upgrade because they didn't want to have a valve spring issue. It's relatively inexpensive compared to just about any other fix you would have to do on that engine. So if you have an 02 and you aren't sure what valve springs are in it, borrow somebody's little cable camera that you can get down in through the oil fill and take a look and see what color those are. At worst, pull the valve cover and you'll be able to tell for sure. And that's the basic facts. I've owned 3 LS6 Z06s in my life. The one that I have now, I've had the longest, and it is the oldest and most tired, mileage-wise, of any of the ones that I have had. I believe that the LS6 is underrated because cars that came after it were making so much more power out of the same basic package in the LS3, and then moving on to the LT1 and just, go to 430 horse. Oh, now we got 450 horse. So 405 was kind of like, but back in 2002, 405 was a big, big number. The only recent Corvette that had that kind of power was the later version of the C4 ZR1, and it was a completely different power plant with a completely different torque range. It wasn't nearly as user-friendly around town as the LS series performance engines are. I know that there are a lot of things architecturally that GM tweaked with the LS6 that then got put into later production C5s. You know, they changed the intake manifold on all of them later to match the one in the LS6. There were also a bunch of cars in late 03 and especially in 04 that even the base coupes and convertibles were getting LS6 blocks because they had extras of them. And they just gave them to you because they didn't have any more base ones to put in from the factory. As long as you take care of them, fluid maintenance, make sure you fix your leaks, and you have some degree of mechanical sympathy, an LS6 can be beat on and pushed and thrown around, and you're going to have a lot of fun with it, and it's not going to fall apart, which in today's world, that says something because you don't have the active fuel management, cylinder deactivation, all that crazy stuff in the later cars. Yes, they have more power, but they have a whole lot more Achilles heels on them than the LS6 did. So if you have any questions about LS6s, I have my car at 262,000 miles, and I have 2 customers who have LS6s in their 03 and 04 Z06 cars, and they've got well over 300,000 miles on the original engine, and they still drive them almost every day. So I can tell you, trust the LS6. It's a great engine. GM did a great job of packaging a really awesome car around it in the C5 Z06. And well, that's been my experience with it. I don't ever plan on parting with this car. And I'm hoping I get up above 300 or 350,000 miles before my time is done. Give me your thoughts or your experiences with the LS6 engine or the C5 Z06 in the comments below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. We'll see you when we get back.